Hey guys, so this is my week 7 pregnancy update. So I am week 7, day 4. I would have done it sooner, but I wanted to wait until after my first appointment, which was today. I actually thought that there might be something done that I would share, but there wasn't. There was just so an internal exam and just like a basic check, a pregnancy check. And then we made my appointment for my ultrasound, which will be next week. So week 8, I will have an ultrasound and I will go back and meet with my doctor. And the practice I go to is kind of large. There's like 6 or 7 doctors in it. So she had said that they typically try to keep pregnant women with the same doctor for the first trimester. So I need to try to keep seeing her for the next couple of appointments. So the only thing that was confirmed is that yes, I am pregnant, which I already know thanks to CVS. So, and Amazon actually. So anyways, so everything is fine. Everything I'm feeling is fine. She did call me in some additional, folic acid. She wanted me to check my vitamin, which I need to do, to make sure to see. She said for the first trimester, they really recommend 5 milligrams or grams or pounds, whatever it is, of folic acid each day. And she said a lot of the vitamins only have 1, and to make sure mine has DHA. She said I can use my dandruff control shampoo if I want, because I had originally looked that up and they said not really, that you shouldn't or whatever, and I just wasn't sure, and she said that's fine. And we talked about my meds and how it is a risk to be on them, but you just have to make the decision about your health and well-being and what is best. So me being super anxious and depressed is not good for a baby. So I'm going to stay on my meds at this moment. So I'm probably going to decrease them and mess with them a little bit as things progress, but I'm not one of the people that can go off of it and still function and go to work each day. It just doesn't work for me. I can't do it. So that's fine. And I feel like that is pretty much it. She asked about morning sickness, and I told her that I don't really have much. Apparently they do have medicine, that they're, willing to prescribe for you if you do have a tough time with it. So luckily I don't. She said it usually is like it's an issue between, she said, like it'll really start if you're going to get it between 6 and 8 weeks. So if I'm mid 7 week and I'm not really having an issue, then I should be good with that. So it does look like since I've been keeping track, I've put on 2 pounds, possibly. I feel like I look the same. I definitely feel a little bloated sometimes, but I don't think I'm really showing, yet. I don't think I'm supposed to, but everybody's different. So yeah, I don't really think I am yet. And the 2 pounds I am eating more, to be honest. So I'm craving protein. So I'm craving steak and chicken and peanut butter and just like normally I'm kind of like a grazer. I just kind of like munch and have fruits and veggies and rice and like just very, I don't know, chill with my food. And now I want a steak sandwich, and I want chicken tenders, and I want peanut butter jelly sandwiches. And donuts. So I'm not giving in to everything completely, but if there's any time in my life where I'm allowed to eat a little bit more than I'm supposed to, or than I normally would, it's gonna be now. So I am, if I'm craving something sugary, I have something sweet. Sometimes I make it applesauce or pineapple slices. It's not always a donut, but sometimes it is a donut because that's what I want. So I'm not really denying myself anything except for the things that you're not supposed to eat, like lunch meat and, soft cheeses and things like that. I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't eat that anyway. I'm just really excited and nervous and overwhelmed, and I just hope that everything is good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much, and I will keep you up to date, so please stay tuned. Please please leave any comments, any questions, anything below. And that's it. Bye guys.